Educational research has shown that students' performance and learning experiences are enhanced when students are actively involved in the process of creating knowledge, are given the opportunity to learn with and from their peers, and study using personalized educational content that considers their mastery level. But as workloads and class sizes have increased, instructors often find it challenging to adopt these strategies in their teaching. As a result, many students have become passive recipients of knowledge with little connection to their peers, working through course content that is perhaps too easy or too difficult for them to follow. That is why my team and I have developed the RiPPLE learning platform. RiPPLE leverages the latest insights from the learning sciences and artificial intelligence, AI, to transform student learning to an active, social, and personalized learning experience. This is achieved in three main learning activities: creating learning resources, evaluating learning resources, and practicing with them. Here's how it works. Students in a course work together to create study resources such as multiple choice questions, detailed worked examples, flashcards, and much more. Created resources are evaluated by multiple students to ensure they're correct and effective. Effective resources are added to the course repository for students to study with, while ineffective resources are sent back to the authors for resubmission. As students practice with resources from the course repository, RiPPLE uses AI to calculate their level of knowledge on each course topic, and uses this information to recommend personalized learning resources to each student. Instructors can use learning analytics and RiPPLE's AI assistance to monitor student learning and the content creation process to optimally provide support where it is needed the most. This create, evaluate, practice process under instructors' guidance is highly effective in engaging large classes in creating knowledge, peer learning, and personalized instructions, all while saving instructors time and resources. RiPPLE is receiving increasing international recognition. It's been featured as an exemplar educational technology by EDUCAUSE and Holland IQ, two of the world's leading impact intelligent platforms on educational technologies. To date, RiPPLE has been used by over 50,000 students in over 150 course offerings across a range of disciplines. Students' feedback has been incredibly positive, saying that they feel empowered to contribute to creating knowledge and that RiPPLE reinforces their understanding of course concepts. It helps them to identify the learning gaps and better prepare for exams. Instructors report that they find RiPPLE to be a time-effective way of getting students actively and socially involved with the course and for them to facilitate learning. Importantly, RiPPLE's impact on students' learning has been analyzed and reported in 2 independent peer-reviewed studies, suggesting that it translates to up to 10% increase in exam grades. There are various ways to incorporate RiPPLE into your course. The most effective is to use it towards your course assessment, which allows for a high level of engagement throughout the semester. RiPPLE has built-in assessment features that remind students of the task they need to complete and exports the grades automatically to your learning management system. Another popular use case is to incorporate it as an activity into tutorials, where students focus on content creation during scheduled course time. It can also be used as a peer feedback tool or a classroom response system to increase engagement.
And the right answer is, good job, class. Teamwork.
With an easy setup and full-time teaching and technical support provided, RiPPLE seamlessly integrates into your course.